Merry Christmas, bro, already, man.
How about Merry Christmas?
Welcome to the NBA Christmas Special.
Hey, man, come on. From the start, baby, together. 1, 2, 3. Together, I beat you.
Keep attacking the rim. We're getting great shots, and they're taking tough ones.
Thomas using the Horford screen, hits him on the pop. Good ball fake, the rifle, and the tomahawk hammer.
Watch that back door.
Mills to Dedmon up top. Oh, double D with the dunk. Rose flicks it out to Porzingis. Great ball fake. He drives and finishes.
Stay ball. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Back cut. Tie it.
Nico, you're here. Chris, you're here. Pistol. You're on strong side. All right, keep fighting, guys. Keep fighting. Sometimes you got to take what the defense gives you sometimes.
Curry on Irving. Irving the drive. Back to James. Cavaliers lead and a foul.
That's championship hustle. Stops, rebounds, scores. Go win the game.
10 to shoot. Horford snakes free. Smart, the three is good. 4, 3. Back out to Leonard, 2 on the shot clock. Gets it off in time. Kawhi Leonard. Merry Christmas. As the San Antonio Spurs will improve to 25-6 on the season.
What a beautiful pass by Westbrook. Cantor closes 18-point game in Oklahoma City.
31 points, 15 assists, still added 7 rebounds, and he was the stalwart for another Oklahoma City Thunder victory at home.
Come on, let's get some stops together. Let's pick up our defense out there. Let's go. Good shots make it easier.
Young for a 3. Got it. Game over.
If we can execute down the stretch. Execute, all right?
As Durant comes the other way to Curry. Curry for 3. Bang! And Golden State leads by 3 with 1:14 remaining. Here comes Irving. Drives on Thompson. Irving spins. Puts up the shot. It's good! Kyrie Irving! What a comeback from the Cavaliers.
Roof is coming off the building on Christmas.